So standard 10, welcome back. In lecture number 11, we were solving problem set 2, Pythagoras theorem. This is the question number 8. To save the time, I have already written something. I have solved it. From the information given in the figure, prove that, PT means prove that, PM is equal to PN is equal to, this is prove that, don't say that is PT into PM. It is prove that PM is equal to PN is equal to root 3a. This PM and this PN is root 3a that we have to prove. We will just analyze what is given in the figure. This QR is A, this QM is A, RN is A, PR is A, and PQ is A. This is a perpendicular given. Not needed to use that perpendicular also can be used. How? That I will tell you. If there are two ways of solving this question. So one way I will discuss this P, this is S, this is P, here it is N, here it is R. So this is A, this much is A, this point is R, this is S point. So from this to this, it is A. From Q to R, it is A. So this is A by 2, this is A by 2. Why? Because this is an equilateral triangle. This side, all these are equal. All those are A. That means this is the equilateral triangle. And the perpendicular from the opposite vertex, in the last question we have seen, the perpendicular from the opposite vertex bisects the side. So this will be A by 2, this will be A by 2. In the equilateral triangle, in any equilateral triangle, this is the equilateral triangle. If I draw a perpendicular this, so this is suppose A total, this will be A by 2, this will be A by 2, means it is a perpendicular bisector. Okay. Those properties we have seen in the lower classes, so no need to explain it. So this is A by 2. So using this much is also A by A. So this total distance is 3A by 2. This distance. So for this right angle triangle, I can find from this is A by 2, this is A. I can find this Pythagoras theorem. This is how much? See this much part means PSR triangle, you consider this. How you can find this PS? Because A square means PR square is equal to SR square plus PS square. Therefore, PR square means A square is equal to SR is A by 2 its square plus PS square. Therefore, this is A square. This will become here minus A square upon 4 is equal to PS square. Therefore, this will be 4A square minus A square, 3A square is equal to PS. Therefore, PS is equal to root 3A. Now use this triangle. This hypotenuse we have to find. Okay, this way you can solve it. So PS you have solved. So similarly, go for the other right angle triangle PSN. So this is A plus A by 2 means 3A by 2. This is root 3A and you can find this by Pythagoras theorem itself. This is the one approach. So what is solved over here, that also is a very simple. It's not very lengthy. PQ, this PQ is equal to QR. This I am rubbing now. PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR is equal to RN is equal to QM, and everything is equal to A. This is given and number 1. QM is equal to QR in triangle PMR. Consider this triangle PMR. This triangle. Don't consider this now. Consider this triangle. This much distance is A. This distance is A. So this is definitely a median. See this PMR. This triangle. For this triangle, consider this point Q. From Q to M is A. Q to R is also A. Don't judge by the distance because this is a rough figure. The distances are less or more. So QM is equal to QR. That means Q is the midpoint. So PQ is the median. So how I can use by this Apollonius theorem that we will see. Suppose this is a triangle. This is a midpoint. This way. This distance and this distance is same. So Apollonius theorem is this square plus this square. Suppose this is ABC triangle. This is D point. AB square plus AC square means from this to this is equal to 2 times AD square plus 2 times median square. So 2 times BD square. This way I can solve. Okay. So now same way the names here are P. Here it is M. This point is Q. And this point is R. This is the triangle PMR. PM square plus PR square is equal to 2 times PQ square plus 2 times MQ square or QM square. This way, this very statement is written over here. And QM is equal to QR. QM is equal to QR. That's why Q is the midpoint. Therefore, segment PQ is the median. Therefore, here I have forgot to give the name Apollonius theorem. By Apollonius theorem. PM square plus PR square is equal to 2 times of PQ square plus 2 times of QM square. Apollonius theorem. Therefore, PM square PR. How much is PR? PQ I have written. PR is remaining. PR. All these are A. So here it was PR. I have written A square. PQ is also A. So PQ square means A square. These 2A square. QM is also A. So 2AM. So PM square plus A square, 2A square plus 2A square, 4A square. Bring this A square over there. It will become minus 4A square minus A square will be 3A square. So PM square is equal to 3A square. Therefore, this PM is equal to taking the square root on both the sides. Square root of 3 will be root 3. Square root of A square will be A. And this way PM is equal to root 3A. Similarly, we can show that Pn is equal to root 3A. This PM I have got. So, this PM and this PN will be also root 3A. Why? That time I will consider this triangle. Similarly, we have stated similarly. This triangle. In this triangle, this is the midpoint because QR is also A and RN is also A. So this is the midpoint. So PR is the median. So there I will write PQ square plus PN square is equal to 2 times of PR square plus 2 times of which I will take this to this or this to this, Rn square. Anyone I will take Rn square. This will be triangle, which triangle? PQR, PQN. This triangle we will consider. That time R will be the midpoint. So P 2Rn square or 2QR square, whatever you want, you will write. Therefore, PQ square is A square plus PN square is equal to PR. How much is PR? PR is also A, 2A square plus 2. Rn is also A, 2A square, 2A square, 2A square, 4A square. This is A square. Pn is A square. No, this is Pn square. So now shift it there. 4A square minus A square will be 3A square. So Pn square will be 3A square. So Pn is equal to root 3A. So hope that you have understood this very well. So instead of solving, similarly we can show that Pn is equal to root 3A. Now what is the danger in this question that I want to tell you? Suppose this is for 3 marks. Then we can write, similarly we can show that. But if suppose this is for 4 marks, then we will go for this other proof also by using Apollonius theorem. That time we will not show, similarly we can show that. Okay? So be precautious, because for this much, how the examiner can give you 4 marks, that we have to see logically. Okay? So I am wrapping this question. Question number 8 is over. Now we will go for another question. That is a very important question. This is also important question. All these examples are important examples. The very easy questions and the simple, not most likely question to come for the exam. Those I am not taking. From this you can build up your fundamentals for those questions also. So question number 9. Question 9. Prove that the sum of the squares of the diagonals, prove that the sum of squares of diagonals of a parallelogram is equal to the sum of, I forgot to switch on another light. I don't know how much you have seen in the first video, the first question, question number 8. I forgot to switch on this another light. Is equal to the sum of the squares of its sides. So accordingly we will draw the figure. This is a parallelogram. ABCD. This is a parallelogram. We will draw the diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other. This and this is equal. That you know all. This and this is equal. They intersect each other in the point O. And what is given and what is to prove, that we will write now. So what is given? The sum of the squares of the diagonals of a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram is given. equal to the sum of the squares of its sides. This we have to prove. Parallelogram is given. The diagonals are also given. So proof. Given quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Another, what is given? Diagonals AC and BD intersect in point O. This much is given. What is to prove? TPT to prove that. What to prove? The sum of the squares of the diagonals. Which are the diagonals? AC square plus BD square is equal to the sum of the squares of its sides. Sum of the squares of these sides means AB square plus BC square plus AD square plus DC square. These are the four sides, their square. This we have to prove. Now the proof. The opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Then what we will say? AB is equal to DC is equal to AD is equal to BC. That way, the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Therefore, AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. These are the opposite sides. AB equal to DC, AD equal to BC. Okay. Now this is number 1. Another, what we know, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That statement we will write. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, AO equal to how much? AO or OA is equal to half of AC. And another diagonal is BD. BO equal to half of BD. This is number 2. Now consider this triangle, this ABC triangle. This is equal to this. That means O is the midpoint of AC. In triangle ABC, O is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, AC is the median. Therefore, OB is the median. Therefore, BO is the median. If it is a median, this is the median. In this triangle, this is the median. So, from this to this, BA square plus BC square is equal to 2 times of this square plus 2 times of this square. So, by Apollonius theorem, BA square plus BC square, from B the median is drawn, that's why BA square plus BC square is equal to 2 times of BO square plus 2 times of OA square. OA you can take, OC you can take, OA square. Reason is Appo theorem. Appo theorem. Therefore, this I will write properly. Here I have written AB. So I will write this AB square plus BC square is equal to 2. What is BO? BO is equal to half of BD. So here I will write half of BD. Do you get it? BD, half of BD square. BO, BO is half BD plus 2 times of this OA. OA is how much? OA is equal to half of AC. Half of AC its square. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to 2 into. This will be the square of this also. So 1 upon 4 into BD square plus 2 into this will be 1 upon 4 into AC square. Therefore, 2 1 the 2 2 the 2 1 the 2 2 the. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to BD square upon 2. BD square upon 2 plus this is AC square upon 2. Now if there is the denominator, how to eliminate that denominator? I will multiply each term by this LCM. LCM of 2 and 2 is 2. So I will multiply by 2. Therefore, 2AB square plus 2BC square plus BD square upon 2 into 2. So that will be BD square. This 2 will get cancelled plus AC square. That is, therefore, here itself I will break it out. 2AB square means I can write this AB square plus AB square because it is 2AB square. So I have broken it plus BC square is BC square plus BC square. 1 BC square plus 1 BC square will be 2 BC square. That's why I have broken this. That is equal to. So this I will shift this AC square plus BD square. Oh, sorry, you can see this. 2AB square plus AB square. 2BC square, BC square plus BC square. And this sequence I have changed. I have seen in the what to prove AC square plus BD square. That sequence is also important. Therefore, this AB square I will write AB square plus. So here I forgot to give the reason. From 2 I will write this, isn't it? From 2. Okay. AB square. Now AB is what? AB is equal to DC also. For this AB I will write DC square plus BC square as it is plus. For this BC what I can write? I will see. For this BC I can write AD. AD square. Hope that you have understood. Is equal to AC square plus BD square. That is, now I will change this to this side because in the proof I have written something. In that sequence I will write. That is AC square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus after AB I have written BC, I will write BC square plus after that I have written AD, so I will write AD square and plus DC square. They want at last, so I have written this square is proved. So this is a very simple theorem, means the proof, but it comes for the examination, that's why. So okay, now it is very late in the night. I will stop this video today because the entire day program is very packed, so I will get little time. So be always be ready with my speed. Bye till then.